Anand sir, he was like bang on. So everything was good. Like the plot was good, the scenes were good. Like it was total entertaining movie.
Do not miss it. Hrithik Roshan has done the amazing work and Anil Kapoor is oi.
Watching the trailer मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is a very different dynamism which is got and I think Siddharth Anand is much more capable of doing it and 3D में देख के तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ गया.
The aircraft flying in the air and the way the fighting scene was, it was amazing. I think we love it.
It's amazing.
I know that you are the most cheering guy in the front seat.
Yeah, we would love to cheer for Hrithik. Who will not?
Absolutely. What was the best thing in the trailer you found out throughout the watching the trailer?
I love the fighting scenes and Hrithik was looking amazing. And even Anand sir, he was like bang on. So everything was good. Like the plot was good, the scenes were good. Like it was total entertaining
Is there
movie.
a best moment or best scene you loved the most in the trailer?
I loved it when he said ki you will come into India, occupied Pakistan. That was like the selling point of the
What do you
movie.
say about Siddharth Anand's vision? How he has presented this whole action drama?
Action was superb. Like it's total action. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो आपने पहले देखा हो. Like it was Air Force, all the airplanes, and it was looking superb. Like something which you have not seen, which you don't see every other day.
Deepika and Hrithik की chemistry कैसी लगी?
It was superb. I loved when Deepika was on bike and asking Hrithik to come on, and like the chemistry was bang on.
Can we smell them one more blockbuster after Pathaan?
Definitely.
What's your score out of 5?
I'll give 5 out of 5.
Thank you so much, man.
It was amazing and I would love everyone to watch it. It's coming on the 25th of Jan. Do not miss it. Hrithik Roshan has done the amazing work and Anil Kapoor is oi. Do watch it and I am going to see their first day, first show and I am going to enjoy it with my family. Thank you.
What do you can say about Hrithik Roshan? How he's looking like with Deepika in particular?
Whatever he's done for the good and it's done for a good cause. He's shown all the Republic types like what is done for India and yes, it's very good. You should watch it and I would.
Real action drama is looking like in the trailer.
It's amazing. Whatever the cinematic they have done it is done it so properly and I would highly recommend everyone to watch it. Thank you.
Very nice. I think two of my very favorite, all-time favorite actors, Hrithik Roshan and Anil Kapoor. So that's the combination. And after watching the trailer, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is a very different dynamism which is got, and I think Siddharth Anand is much more capable of doing it. And 3D में देख के तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ गया.
दीपिका पादुकोण और ऋतिक रोशन की केमिस्ट्री कैसी लगी?
बहुत अच्छी है always, and I think 2024 में it's a great start, and we would love to watch more.
फर्स्ट टाइम इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एरियल एक्शन ड्रामा हो रहा है, जैसे कि हमने मैवरिक, टॉप गन ऐसी फिल्मों में देखा है. इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है, तो ये कितना फैसिनेटिंग आपको लग रहा है?
बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लग रहा है और आज ट्रेलर देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कांट वेट टू वॉच इट एट द थिएटर्स द फुल फिल्म बिकॉज इट वाज रियली वेरी आइकॉनिकल. सारी एयरक्राफ्ट जब आपके मुंह के सामने आ रही है और द एक्शन सीन्स विच वाज वेरी वेरी गुड.
ऐसा कौन सा पर्टिकुलर सीन था, पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट था थ्रू आउट द ट्रेलर आपने एंजॉय किया या फिर सबसे आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा?
हाँ, वही मैंने आपको बताया कि जो फाइटिंग स्पिरिट, जो पेट्रियटिज्म, ये सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं और एरियल एक्ट्स के और साथ में कॉम्बिनेशन 3D होने की वजह से मुझे लगा कि खुद का एक पार्टिसिपेशन जैसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा था, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
से क्या स्कोर रहेंगे ट्रेलर पे?
5.
क्या हम एक और ब्लॉकबस्टर ले पाएंगे सिद्धार्थ आनंद के पठान के बाद?
येस, ऑफ कोर्स. मुझे लगता है पठान की स्टोरी लाइन बहुत दूसरी थी और यहाँ पे जब इंडियंस की बात आती है और पेट्रियोटिज्म की बात आती है तो आई थिंक नो वन कैन बीट इट.
One word for Hrithik, what do you can say?
Absolutely astounding, stunning.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It was great. It was amazing. I loved the fighting scenes, the aircrafts and everything. Yesterday only the air show we saw in Mumbai that was happening. It was so much relating to that and I really loved it. I'm going to take my son for this movie for sure. So I think amazing movie.
Is there any particular movement or particular scene which was the most fascinating for you?
Yeah, it was actually the aircraft flying in the air and the way the fighting scene was. It was amazing. I think we love it.
What do you can say about the chemistry between Hrithik and Deepika?
I am waiting for them to come on screen and see them. I'm very excited to see Hrithik. Oh my God, he's just so good.
What do you can say about Siddharth Anand's vision for this?
I think it's very good. I think I'm waiting to see some kind of a different movie because nowadays we don't see like these movies at all. So I'm really waiting for it.
Can we spare one more blockbuster from Siddharth Anand after Pathaan? Okay, what's your score out of 5 for this trailer?
4? For now. 4.